Hi guys, welcome back again. So today is day 56 for the 100 Days of DevOps series. So here we're gonna have to wait around 30 seconds. Okay, that's great. So let me go to appdraw.com and let me copy first all this given instruction right here. So we're gonna read the given instruction right now. So some of the notorious team developers are developing a static website, and they want to deploy it on the Kubernetes cluster. So they want it to be highly available and scalable. That's their future purpose, something like that. So therefore, based on their requirements, the DevOps team has decided to create a deployment for it with multiple replicas.
Replica.
Yeah, replicas. Below you can find more details about it. So so we have two requirements. The first one is we have to create new deployment, and then the second thing is we have to create a NodePort. Okay. So let me copy this whole sentence, and then I will run the related comments. So how to from the CentOS terminal. So we can run this command. So before we create a new deployment, we need to create a YAML file. So I can get the name like this. So you can get any kind of name you like to give. So I will create with Tosh or Vin, and then you can read like this. So you don't see anything right here. So we're trying to enter with the Vin editor, and then I will change into insert move, and then let me copy all this given code. Alright, so I will paste right there. So here API version is apps, so kind is not port. Remember this. Kind is deployment, right? This is Kubernetes deployment. So metadata name is deployment name is nginx-deployment. It has to be the same as right here, like this, nginx-deployment. That's great. And specification is replicas is 3 counts, and selector mesh levels. So we don't need to think this. We will skip this. So here are specifications for containers. So container name is nginx-container. That's great. And the image is nginx:\latest tag. That's great. And container port is 80. That's fine. So now I will save it. Escape and colon w2 and save it. So now let we create that new deployment using this YAML file. So we have to run this command to apply the deployment, right? So I will run this command. So this is the same as creating Kubernetes port, right? So here you can run this, and you can get get deployment, nginx deployments here, and how about ports? So here we have 3 ports. So they are running. Okay, that's great. So now it's time to create the NodePort. So how do we create this? So how to create? So let me copy all of this given command, all of this given instruction, and how to create from CentOS terminal. So we can write like this also for this. So, and also we can use the second option like this. Anyway, I also create this nginx-service.yaml file with a vein editor. Okay, and then I will paste right there. So I will copy this code. Here API version. So okay, I don't need this command. I don't need this. This is a container port. Okay, let me run this. So I will paste right there. So select the app is nginx. That's fine. So here we need to get the correct name. So type is service. That's great. This is NodePort service and nginx-service. That's correct. And here TCP protocol type is TCP. That's fine. And target port and port is 8080. That's great. But we have to get the correct NodePort number. So NodePort number is 30011. Okay, now I will save it and escape it. Okay, so now it is time to run this command, the second command, to apply the configuration. So I will run this. So let me run that. Okay, so we successfully create the NodePort service. So we can get the, how about for the deployment? Sorry, for the service, branch service, and then nginx-service. Okay, so this is the current cluster IP. So here you will see that welcome to nginx, and then here welcome to nginx. If you see this page, nginx is successfully installed and working. HTTP. Oh, sorry. CUR at HTTP / and I will give that this. Actually, this is not correct. It's fine. Okay, so yeah, so finally we see the nginx web service web page right here. So we can check it out and click confirm. So yeah, that's it. But we need to give the correct port name, port number when we configure for the NodePort service here. CAT cat nginx, and oh, sorry for that. Here, this one. So we need to give the protocol type is TCP and port number is 80 and target port is 80. So this is a container port, and then we need to give the NodePort. NodePort is 80 300 and 111. So 3011, right? Okay, so that's it. So thanks for watching. See you in the next coming video.